So this question is about equations, where we have been given about three friends, Alex, Ben, and Chris. Each of them have a different number of marbles. Alex says, if Ben gave me four marbles, we would have the same number of marbles. So that means Alex and Ben would have the same amount of marbles if Ben gave him four marbles. And Ben says, if Chris gave me eight marbles, I would have twice as many marbles as Alex. And Chris says, altogether we have 54 marbles. And the main question is, how many marbles does each person have? So from here, we can just make it as like equations. We can write equations from the first statement, which is gonna be how it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like, let's say, assume Alex is equals to A, Ben equals to B, Chris is equals to C, and from there we're gonna make equations about how many marbles they might have. So for Alex and Ben, we can say that if Ben has like B amount of marbles, and we substitute B 4 from B, is gonna be equals to Alex, which is going to be equal to plus 4, which is going to be equals to Alex plus 4, because they also have the same amount of marbles when Ben given 4 marbles. So from there we can we get the equations, which is equals to B equals to A plus 8. So same goes from the second equations. We can find that if if Chris gave me 8 marbles, that means we have to add 8 marbles to Ben, because Chris gave him new 8 marbles. They're gonna he would be having like twice as many marbles as Alex. So that means now it's time for Alex to have multiplied by 2. This is what we get from the second equations. Now what we're going to do, since we have two equations, just substitute with both of from each other. And if you substitute with the second equation from the first, we can get a new equation, which is a plus 8 plus 8 equals to 2a, where we get the value of a equals to 16. Now we can just substitute the value of a into the second equations, which is going to be 2 multiplied by 16 equals 32, and 32 minus 8 equals to 24. And from there we get the value of b. Same goes for c. Now we can substitute a and b from to the first equation, or just a to the first equation, and we get the value of c. As simple as that. Oh, sorry, for the c, we can just say like all the marbles together is like 54, so we can subtract a and b from 54. That's it. I hope you all understood that.